Before you throw your money into the next trending token, stop. 90% of crypto projects fail, but the smart ones know how to spot the red flags. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to analyze any crypto project before you invest, step by step. Whether you're new to crypto or already holding a few coins, this guide will help you avoid scams, hype traps, and bad investments. We'll break down the 7 key pillars of project analysis, and by the end, you'll know how to spot winners from losers. Start with the basics. What problem does this project solve? Is it just another meme coin, or does it offer real utility like faster payments, decentralized storage, or privacy solutions? Check the team behind it. Are they public? Do they have experience in blockchain, finance, or tech? Anonymous founders aren't always bad, but transparency builds trust. Tokenomics tells you how the coin works. Look for fair distribution, low inflation, and clear use cases. If 80% of tokens go to insiders, that's a red flag. Does the project have a roadmap and development? Are they hitting milestones? Check GitHub or their blog. Are they building or just tweeting? A strong community means long-term potential. Are people asking smart questions? Is the team active in replies? Avoid hype-only groups with zero substance. Real partnerships matter. Is the project integrated with wallets, exchanges, or other blockchains? Or are they just name-dropping without proof? Security is non-negotiable. Has the smart contract been audited? Is there a bug bounty program? If not, your money might be at risk. Use tools like CoinMarketCap, Sniffer, and GitHub to dig deeper. Don't rely on influencers. Do your own research. Now you know how to analyze any crypto project like a pro. If this helped you, smash that like button, share it with your crypto crew, and subscribe for more nonsense crypto content. Stay smart, stay safe, and always do your own research.